What's up, guys? We are the Junjun and Friends. Ako nga pala si John Marvic at Nabus ng Junjun and Friends na group. Today, we would like to share some encouraging video about solving a problem gamit ang Tinkercad. Gusto nyo ba makilala ang mga friends ni Junjun? If no, ano ang karapatan nyo? Never mind. So, mamaya makikilala nyo sila. Ang una natin gagawin is yung problem 1, which is gagawa tayo ng sketch sa mga mga ranges ng score. Yung problem 1 na instruction is write a sketch that applies bonus scores to given scores in the range of 1 to 9. The program reads a digit as an input. If the digit is between 1 and 3, the program multiples it by 10. If it is between 4 and 6, it multiples by 100. If it is between 7 and 9, it multiples by 1,000. So, sorry. Then, we will create two program versions, one that uses a switch statement and the other one uses nested if-else statement. And at the end print, the calculated new value is in the serial monitor. So, ito po yung pre-recorded video na ginawa ng kagroup po, which is ipa-play ko na po. Una pong ginawa niya is yung Arduino with nilagyan po ng potentiometer na i-connect sa A3 A3 button ng Arduino Uno. A3 or A0. Then the terminal 2 po ng potentiometer is nakakonect sa 5 volts ng breadboard. Then the terminal 1 po is nakakonect naman sa ground ng breadboard. Then ito po is yung ginawang program ng aming main encoder. Programmer po pala. Sorry. Which is nag-start na po siya ng simulation at ito po yung lumabas ng mga score. Then in-adjust po niya yung mga gamit ang potentiometer na nagkakaroon ng iba-ibang multiples na nakaayon dun sa instruction ng problem 1. Ayan po, nagkakaroon ng pagbabago, may 1,000 plus na results. Kung maabot ng 10,000. And yun lang po para sa problem 1. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Ray Balatico of Junjun and Friends, and I'm here, and my role here is the main programmer or coder ng group. And those pre-recorded videos are examples na aking gawa. Then, I'm here to show you on how to solve a problem 2 and how to do it. So, first of all, ano nga ba ang problem 2? Problem 2 natin is all about the three primary colors na red, blue, and yellow. And these three primary colors, when you mix it, you should get the secondary colors na purple, orange, and green. So here, we're going to use the Arduino to solve kung paano natin and to show paano natin magagawa yung addition ng colors. I'll play the video. First, kumuha muna ako ng Arduino na may breadboard. Then, LEDs. 3 LED to show na nagre-represent ng 3 primary colors. And every LED, ligyan ko siya ng resistor to lessen the voltage na tatanggap nito para ito hindi pumutok. And here, kinoconnect ko lang siya sa ground. Now, change ko yung color niya to represent the 3 primary colors, which are the blue, yellow, and red. Next is I'm connecting the blue LED to digital pin 11, yellow LED digital pin 10, lastly red LED digital pin 9. Now, ikakonstruct ko ng code. First is dineclare ko muna yung mga variables ng LED. Next is the setup kung saan lalabas ang output na digital pins. Next is the void loop saan uulit-ulit lang ang code natin. Here, I'm going to show you the code. Yellow and blue, the secondary color is green. And umilaw nga ang yellow at blue. Next is red and yellow. Then, red and blue. And what I type is nagre-represent din ng colors na iilaw sa ating Arduino. Yun lang. Thank you.
You can see here, she's number 2, she's number 3, and she's number 4. And the user controlling program number 4 it will be. That's all. Thank you. Ano yung nakita?
Ulitin mo.
Bakit? Okay lang.
Ew.
Ikakat yung voiceover ko lang yung kukunin eh.
Narinig ka.
Ako lang mag-i-edit eh. Nakita nga dumaan sa likod. Pinipigil lang akong tumawa kasi be, 11 lang yung deadline. Kasi pag nagsabi ko, lahat Lahat ng attention niya.
Sabi,
Hindi, kakat ko lang yung video. Sure yun.
So hey guys, I'm Joshua Migueldean, or you can call me Mix, and today we're going to show you a sketch that prompts user to test their 4 grades. So if they will get 90 above, they will get an A, then B if they will get 80 to 89.99%, then C 70 to 79.99, and D will be 60 to 69.99, and then if they will get an F, they will get a grade of below 60. So using Tinkercad, we can show you on how to solve this kind of problem. And to make that, we can insert the Arduino, and then we can click the code, then blocks, then text to enter our codes. That the board setup, here are that begin, 1600 value, then bracket, and then that's a code. And there we will see the 4 test of grades. In the test 1, we can enter 100. Test 2 will be 50. Test 3 will be 20. And then test 4, 90. So we can grade will be 80, and then our grade will be B. So that's it. And if you want to try again, just click Y or N. Y if yes, and N for no. Then again, test 1, 100, test 2, 90, test 3, 95, test 4, 10. So letter grade will be A. That's all. Thank you. Guys, nakita nyo naman kung paano masolve yung problem natin, and ang laking tulong ng Tinkercad. So, ayun lamang po. Thank you.